Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to set up your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Whether you've just purchased your new Galaxy Watch or you're setting it up for the first time, this guide will walk you through the process to get you up and running in no time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Unbox your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Open the box. Carefully remove your Galaxy Watch from the box. Inside, you'll find the watch itself, charging dock, charging cable, and user manual. Charge the watch. Before setting up your watch, make sure it has enough battery. Place the watch on the charging dock and plug it into a power source. Step 2. Turn on the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Power on. Press and hold the side button on your Galaxy Watch until the Samsung logo appears. It will take a few moments for the watch to start up. Step 3. Connect the watch to your smartphone. Download the Galaxy Wearable app. On your smartphone, go to the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS. Search for the Galaxy Wearable app and install it. Open the app. Once the app is installed, open it. Enable Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Pair your watch. The Galaxy Wearable app will search for nearby devices. When it detects your Galaxy Watch, tap on it to pair the devices. Follow any on-screen instructions on both your phone and watch to complete the pairing process. Step 4. Set up your Samsung account. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Samsung account, sign in. If not, create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. A Samsung account allows you to sync your watch with various Samsung services and apps. Step 5. Customize your watch settings, language and region. Select your preferred language and region. Time settings. Set the correct time zone and time format. Your Galaxy Watch will sync with your smartphone's clock, so this should be done automatically if your phone is correctly set. Notifications and permissions. Allow the Galaxy Wearable app to access your phone's notifications, apps, and other features like contacts or fitness data. Health and fitness tracking. Enable health and fitness tracking features, such as heart rate monitoring, steps tracking, and sleep tracking, to get the most out of your Galaxy Watch. Step 6. Choose watch faces and apps. Select a watch face. Open the Galaxy Wearable app, go to the Watch Faces section, and choose a design that fits your style. You can change it anytime from the watch itself as well. Install apps. Browse through the Galaxy Store to download additional apps or watch faces that suit your needs. You can install apps for fitness, music, weather, and more directly from the Galaxy Wearable app. Step 7. Set up additional features. Optional. Samsung Pay. If you want to use Samsung Pay on your watch, set it up by adding your credit or debit card information in the Samsung Pay section of the Galaxy Wearable app. Bixby Voice Assistant. Set up Bixby for voice commands, so you can easily control your Galaxy Watch with voice commands. Go to Bixby in the settings and follow the prompts. Notifications. Choose which notifications you want to receive on your Galaxy Watch, including texts, emails, app alerts, and more. Step 8. Start using your Galaxy Watch. Explore the features. Start using your watch to check the time, track your steps, manage notifications, listen to music, and more. The touchscreen and side button offer intuitive controls. Stay connected. Your watch is now fully connected and ready to keep you updated while you're on the go.